Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create an assignment in Canvas. So I'm inside of my Canvas course and I'm in modules and I'm going to add an assignment to my week 1 module. The first thing I'm going to do is click that plus button to the right of my module title. This will pull up my screen to show me the different items that I can add to my module. I'm going to add an assignment. If I have an assignment already created, it will be listed right here under assignments. But today I'm going to create a new assignment. I'm going to name that assignment, and I'm going to name it starting with the date that I'm assigning this assignment. Once I've given my assignment a name, I'm going to click Add Item. This will add the assignment to my module. This is a blank assignment, so now I need to edit the assignment. In order to edit the assignment, I'm going to click on the assignment name, and this will give me a preview of my assignment. My assignment is blank, so I need to click the Edit button. The first thing that pops up is my text box. This is where I can add any directions, hyperlinks, images, any information that students will need in order to complete this assignment. I'm going to use this toolbar up here to add content to my text box. If you hover over each of the icons, it will tell you what that icon is for in the toolbar. I also have the option to hyperlink to an external URL using this link to URL icon. Also, on the right-hand side, I have a few other options. I can link to other resources inside of my Canvas course. So I can link to a module, I can link to any announcements, assignments, etc. If I click on one of these, it will just insert a direct link into my assignment text box. If I want to upload a file and have a link to that file in my Canvas assignment, I can do that through Files. I can either search for it in my file folders, any of the files already uploaded, or I can upload a new file. Also, if I want to insert an image into my Canvas assignment, I can click on Images. I can insert an image that already is inside of my course, or I can upload a new image here. Once you have the directions inside of your text box, then you're going to move down and set your assignment settings. The first setting is how many points this assignment will be worth. The second setting is the assignment groups. Assignment groups are the same thing as your Skyward categories. So if you have Skyward categories in your gradebook, you want to set your assignment groups to match. You actually set those assignment groups under the Assignments tab. You also have the option to display your grades as and different options. If you're syncing your gradebook from Canvas to Skyward, then it's important that you set your display grades as points. And we do not actually want to check this box here. The next setting is submission type. This is where you have many different options for creating different submissions for your Canvas assignments. The default setting is no submission. This would be the same thing as on paper. If you are giving an assignment in class that's on paper, I would set this to on paper, but still create the assignment shell on Canvas. You also have the option for an online submission. There are a variety of ways that students can submit an assignment online. You can select one, or you can select multiple ways. If students are submitting a Google Doc or Google Slides, that would be a file upload. Also, if they're submitting an image or a PDF, that would also be a file upload. A media recording would be an audio or video recording that they complete on Canvas. A website URL is a link to a direct URL, and a text entry is just a typed response. They'll get a text entry box just like this one where they will type their response. Group assignments and peer reviews are some advanced features of Canvas. A group assignment is an assignment that's created with specific student groups, and you create those under the Peoples tab. If you've created a group assignment, you would then check this box. If you would like students to peer review their assignments, you can check this box. Again, this is an advanced feature of Canvas and needs to be set up ahead of time, so reach out to your instructional tech coach if you'd like to do any of these options. Sync to SIS will then allow this assignment to sync to Skyward. This is the first step in in syncing your assignments from Canvas to Skyward. If I check this box, I'm telling Canvas that I would like this assignment to be set up to sync to Skyward, but then I still have to click the Post to Sync button in my gradebook. The last option down here is who you are assigning your assignment to. It will default to everyone in this course. That means all sections and all students. If I don't want it to default to everyone, I can click that X. And then in your course, you would have your course sections listed here. For example, if this was my Spanish 2 course, I would have Spanish 2 first period, Spanish 2 second period, Spanish 2 third period, etc. I would also have listed all of the students that are enrolled in my course. You can assign an assignment to specific sections or periods. You can also assign an assignment to specific students by clicking on the names of those students that would be listed here. Then you're going to set a due date for your assignment. Oops. And in order to set a due date, you can click on that calendar icon and you can set a date and a specific time that this assignment would be due. Any student that submits that assignment past the due date, it will be color-coded red in the gradebook blue as a late submission. If a student does not submit an assignment by the due date, it will be color-coded red in the gradebook. And then you can also set available from and available until by clicking on that calendar icon. If you set available from, the assignment will not be available for students to submit anything until that date and time. And then if you set an available until, students will not be able to submit anything for this assignment after that date and time that you set. These are optional and up to you if you'd like to set them. And again, it would just restrict students from being able to access this assignment before or after these dates. Once all of your settings are set, then you can go down here and you can click Save if you don't want to publish and you don't want it to be available to your students yet, or you can click Save and Publish to make it visible to your students. Once I click Save and Publish, it takes me back to my assignment and I can preview what I have created for this assignment. If I go back to modules, that assignment will show up in that module where I added it. If you need any help with assignments, please reach out to your instructional tech coach and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.